If you watched my latest paper bead tutorial on YouTube, you know that I just had a major haul of wallpaper sample books. All of this wallpaper makes me want to share. So if you are subscribed to the monthly pattern paper subscription on March 1st, 2022, in your package that goes out that day, you are going to receive free wallpaper samples. Here is a sneak peek at the paper being released on March 1st. It's inspired by April showers. It's got these colorful umbrellas, big blue raindrops. This will be in your March 1st package along with your wallpaper sample. If you subscribe before March 1st, you'll get February's design mailed to you instantly. This is the green circles and waves paper. And I love this one particularly on barrel beads because it makes some really funky patterns you can play around with. Now, the benefit of being a part of the subscription is that you get a 10-pack of paper made specifically for making paper beads every month, mailed to you automatically at a 20% discount. Now, there's no obligation. You can cancel anytime. So check out the link in the description below to get all of the details and sign up for the monthly pattern paper subscription. Happy rolling!